How's it going, everyone? Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We're almost to the weekend. Only a day to go. We're going to continue with our attention, our mask, which we need to do. I think this mask is fine. I just need to think about it differently. So we've basically, so far, we've been working on building our own transformer from scratch using the PyTorch framework, of course. PyTorch has a built-in transformer module that we used previously to train on math. It did some math problems and it worked. It actually worked really well. Now what we want to do is create a transformer with our own approach, right? We're going to do decoder only, which is just one transformer layer with stacked transformers without having merged in with a decoder. Right? So it's actually pretty straightforward how that works. Where is this in this graph here? Is it around here? We go. Right. So this is the encoder, right? Sorry, this is the encoder right here. We're going to do decoder only. So this is the part we're currently working on. And we got pretty far. We did it. We mostly did it. So add in norm. What is this? Wait, what is this part right here? Oh, wait, we missed something. All right. We might need to do a little. It'll probably work without it. It will. With what we're trying to achieve, it'll probably work without it. So I think we'll probably be fine. However, we should probably figure out what that part is right there. So let's see here. Let's see, masked multi-headed attention on the input. Right. So I don't think we actually need a mask for what we're doing right now. So we're going to probably put it to the side. We'll put the mask to the side and then focus on getting the rest of this linear pipeline here complete. And I think we should probably be fine, right? Even with one layer of attention. Should we do multiple layers of attention? I don't know. We're going to find out. Okay. So let's see. Where are we with our code here? So we've got our attention. Hey, how's it going there? Cardinal. Hey, Erdem. Welcome on in. Hi, Steven. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Hey, Task Cash. Good to see you. Thanks for clicking hi. Welcome on in. We're working on our transformer here. So we're probably going to remove that. We don't need that right now. And we're probably just going to work only on this part of the attention. I'm pretty sure that's all we need. I'm pretty sure. So let me see if now we don't have any errors. Oh, look at that. All right. Immediately, right at the start of stream. Okay. So let's see here. We need to also add in the rest of this part. So let me just kind of get rid of things that we don't need. Let's see. We also should do the multi-headed part, because right now we only have one head. And I think we need more than one. Though we'll do this later. It'll be fine. So let me turn these things out here. Erdem, I'm doing great. That's good to hear. You're studying ABC and Gray Wolf optimization algorithms. What? Wait. ABC is an optimization algorithm? Also, what is Gray Wolf optimization? Let's find out, you guys. Let's see. Let me close some things here that we don't need anymore. All right, get the next song going. And then we are going to search, what do you say? Gray Wolf optimization. How do we do that? What is this? What's going on here? What are we looking at? Let's see. Okay. I'm very curious about this. Oh, wait, what? Hold on. What is this right? General representation of Gray Wolf optimization. I don't know what this is. What's it doing? What's the point? Photovoltaic. So the solar cells? Let's see. Gray Wolf optimization, a nature-inspired meta-heuristic algorithm that mimics social hierarchy and hunting behavior of gray wolves. Oh, really? So how they attack? It was widely used to solve complex real-world optimization problems. All right. Solves problems by turning candidate solutions into virtual wolf pack that hunts for the best mathematical solution. Okay. Best solutions are ranked hierarchically. Top performing solutions is the alpha, followed by the beta and the delta. Okay. The rest are omega. Yeah, it's used for non-gradient function optimization. Sometimes we cannot apply gradient descent because of the gradient. It solves this problem and is nature inspired. Okay. All right, good to hear. I'm actually unfamiliar with this type of particular application and this optimization approach. It sounds pretty neat though. It sounds pretty neat. All right. Let's see, where are we at here? Let's continue onward. We got our full attention. Full attention, good to go. Although we probably should do the multi-headed part. I think that would be nice if we could do that. And we can easily do that just by creating a view and a transposition, I think. It's used for parameter optimization also. Hey, optimize those parameters, right? We got those floating point numbers that we need to make improvements on. And this is a new approach. Well, I mean, I don't know how new it is. It is pretty neat though. It is pretty neat. Let me here. I understand code. So when I see code, it makes me understand it. So let's ask, show NP example. All right, let's see if it's gonna show us. Let's see, it'll show us here. All right, this is what I want. All right, let's see here. Objective function. Define the objective function to minimize sphere function. So some position to the power 2. Dimension, search bounds, pack size, 20. 20, number of wolf candidate solutions. Number of iterations. Positions, all right, so you create a random, initialize the wolf pack and positions randomly. Okay, so you've got a bunch of random positions of the wolf pack. Alpha, beta, delta, right? Initialize a bunch, wait, okay, so some initial, how is that? I thought these were the wolf packs. Okay. Alpha score infinity. I like that. This is just funny right there. Hey, Mr. Bumpy Pickle, good to see you. Happy Thursday. Welcome on in. We're just looking through a little bit of code here on the wolf pack, sort of wolf optimization, which I didn't know was a thing. I didn't even know. Clip positions to make wolves within bounds. Position equals NP clip. Search bounds, search bounds. Fitness, objective function. Okay. Right back at you, Steven. That's great. Thank you. Very nice. We're really close to the weekend. I'm excited. The fitness, alpha score. So I thought this was going to help me understand it. It didn't really. It didn't really. So is this the sort of the back propagation part? Update the positions of all the wolves, including the omegas. Okay, so the wolves are going to be up. Is this interesting? Okay. Well, I only partially get it. I don't have a full understanding, but I would like to know more. Nothing clicked. No like major click occurred for me on this. Let's see. I'll keep thinking about it. Maybe eventually it'll be like, oh, I get it. Right now though, not quite. Okay, so we could do the multi-headed part. We can do some optimization. Let's see if we could do a feed. Actually, you know what? I think we might have a fully working transformer. I think it'll fully work. All right, let's find out. Oh, no, we got a problem. All right, where's the problem at? Let's see, maybe the problem's in here probably, right? So if I was to, I'm pretty sure it's right there. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's right there. Okay. Just dropping in real quick to say hi, Torva. Thank you for saying hi real quick. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. Okay. So we got a problem here on my feed forward. Let's see, right here. It's got a problem. Why? Wait. Wait, why though? Why would it? Are we, let's see. Oh, wait. Drop out. No, that's fine. There's only one instance of that. Self.dropout transformer custom intention line. It says there's a problem right here. Why is there a problem right there? It seems like that should perfectly work fine. How's it going there, Joseph? Joseph, good to see you. Thanks for clicking the hi button. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. All right, we're doing some more debugging here. So we just fixed we almost have a full working end-to-end transformer that we wrote ourselves, really. We're almost there. We're almost there. We skipped a few parts, it's fine. The good news is, it can still work. It can still work. Okay, I am interested in getting this line right here, line 49, it says it's broken, but that's not. Object has no attribute dropout. Right. Oh, of course. All right, fine. So, do we even need it though? Do we need it there? I suppose it's fine. It doesn't matter that much. Okay. So, self.dropout. It's drop out, not drop out. Oh, did I spell it wrong? D-R-O-P-O-U-T, not drop. Oh, O-U-T is, I spelled it wrong. Okay. Yeah, you're right there. You see the details. There we go. Okay. Wait. Hold on. O-U-T. Wait. It was right. That is correct, right? Oh, nope. It's capital D. Oh, see. What I need, because it's right here, right? So create the dropout here. What I did is I don't have it defined in this. So what I got to do is do this. There you go. Right? Now we should be good. Right, now we should be good. Because we want to create the instance there and boom! Success! Okay. So far, so good. Okay. And then thank you for finding that though, because that's the area that it was the problem. That was the area where there was a problem. All right. Now the rest should work. Everything else. Good to go. Here we go. Full end-to-end transformer. There we go. We did it. Are you building an AI model? Yes, exactly. Matt Rickson. Welcome on in. Good to see ya. Matt Rickson. We are building ourselves a mini ChatGPT that's going to train on its own code to create itself as a copy. And then we're going to train that copy and we're just going to go in a loop and it's just going to keep training more and more of itself. I'm pretty sure we can make it work. I'm pretty sure. Good to see you again. Welcome on back from yesterday. Okay, so we succeeded right here. This is like really exciting. I don't know about you guys, but it feels like so powerful. I don't know. If you ever feel like you've got like power in your hands, this is what that feels like. It's like, whoa. We are transforming into AI today. Yes, we are. Oh, we are transforming into AI. All right, so we got a QKV, we got our outputs, we've got a forward. Everything looks good. The only thing is that we could optimize our QKV here if we wanted to. Jump into 3 and then have a single QKV projection to optimize it. However, I think I'm going to keep it separate for now because it's the same. It's just faster with the same math. It's the same calculation. It's just faster. When did you start this project? This project we started on maybe Tuesday, because we finished our transformer using the built-in PyTorch transformer module. And so what we did is we're like, hold on a second. I think we could write our own. I think we could. And that's what we did. We did it. So now we've got our attention layer here. We don't have the multi-heads, which is fine. And then we've got our feed, our forward definition. And we've got our feed forward defined here, right? Simple, easy feed forward, which means that we've basically solved all of this. The only thing that I'm not sure about here is there's a query key and value. What the heck is this right here? What is this? Why is this here? What, is there a fourth thing? Because we already did query key and value. Why is there an extra right here? Do you guys know? Hey, Loons, good to see ya. Yeah, Torva was here. If Torva's not here now, Torva did stop in and say hello. Torva did say hi. This part we're good here. We got the feed forward, the add and norm. Hey, Prod by Core, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We've almost completed No, so late today. Oh yeah. Well, I don't know. We'll find out. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see on our general. All right. Good. Thank you, Torva. Okay. So this is the part I'm not sure about. Add norm. I know all the lines of code that we wrote. We are not doing this part right here. What is this part, the add and norm? I feel like we're missing a step. What is this add norm part here? All right. So let me take a picture of this here. So in Transformer, we're gonna use Jiminy for us. How's it going there, Skinwalker? Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. All right, so the add and norm. Let's do ampersand norm. So, all right, we finished writing QKV and attention. What is the add and norm? All right. Can you help me? I'm Intel 8086 microprocessor. Hey, ooh, nice. Oh, you're doing some fun stuff. Okay. Some questions of addition and subtraction. Are you doing assembly? Are you doing some assembly over there? Layer norm. X and sublayer. What's this, guys? What is this? What's going on here? All right, we need to learn more. Yep, okay. So we did the attention. We don't have this yet. So in our forward, we've got our X. We've got our QKV, attention output. Yep. Our output, layer norm plus attention output. Oh, we take the original X? No way! What? Oh, I get it now. All right, we could do that. Hey, yeah, we can. Okay. All right. Hey, Neon Java. We're gonna do. We thought something was gonna be really hard, but it turns out it's a lot easier than I thought. Can you look at link share? Absolutely, Loons. Beware that the agents can play copyrighted music. You can look at the video I put and also the thing Torvison. All right, let's do it. Skip connections. Hey, Derek, good to see you. Welcome on in. Skinwalker, yeah, I'm crazy for learning. Nice, that's good to hear it. And last, I will read RAM physical addresses. All right, Michael, hey, how's it going? Welcome on in. Good to have you here. All right, so Loons, you say... Yeah, Java. Yep, Neon Java does use Java. We learned about this yesterday, right? We did. Neon Java does. All right, link share, you said? All right. So, Kyle posted something. Follow tools code intelligence for TypeScript and JavaScript. Nice. I like that. Visit website real quick. Have you seen Microsoft's Quantum chip? I have. Epic Bloxpo, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. Codebase is intelligence for TypeScript and JavaScript. Hey, all right. I don't know exactly what we're going on here. Is this just a bunch of really good examples that large language models can follow? Start with some free layer and add runtime when your team needs better context. Okay. What makes this a mini ChatGPT? Why not make a supersized ChatGPT with a Coke? Matter Rickson. We could absolutely do that. We just need to scale it up. We'd need a bunch of NVIDIA Grace Hopper GPUs, right? A whole bunch of hardware, which we could spin up. We could totally do. And then it's just going to sit there and go, it's going to run over all the text file. It's going to go, it's going to read everything, and it's going to start learning how to put all the words together in the right spot, right? And so that part we could do. It's just going to be a lot of sitting there and waiting. Like, okay, I guess it's running. Because it takes a while. right? Saw a video. Wait, the one they thought was the old one. I don't know. They made a new version. Okay. All right. So Torva sent something over here. Radio. This is a cool project. Andon FM Labs. Can AI agent run radio stations? Oh, they sure can. Yes, they can. This is the future right here. This is the future. We gave 4 AI agents their own radio station and told them to stream around the clock and let them do everything themselves. They pick the music, line up the next track, research new content, talk to listeners, and keep the broadcast on air. What's neat? This 100% is doable. We could create this as too. This is actually a really good idea. This is actually really good. A DJ. It's an AI DJ, you guys. So you need to create your own data center. Oh, we could so we could just rent the data center, right? So we could rent a bunch of servers from like Microsoft or Amazon or Google and use their hardware and just run our software on it for a little while it trains our system. We could do that. That's something that we could do. This is neat. I like that idea. All right, Loons, wait, Tora, this is a cool project. Let's see, is there music here? Let's see, what is this? What'd you post here, Loons? What's going on here? Live 365. Oh, is this a similar, this Loons, this looks like live AI radio station. The world's audio, every station made by a real human. Oh wait, no, it's the opposite. Every station's made by a real human. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Unknown posted a short. We can check this out. Okay. Seems like it would cost a boatload of money. Hey, you know what, Matt Erickson? Well, we've got resources. We can make it happen. All right. Let's take a quick look at this short, and then we're going to head back into our code.
This is the Majorana 2, Microsoft's new quantum chip, and it is built on the strangest idea in all of computing, that the way to stop a qubit from breaking is to hide it in two places at once. The problem with creating a useful quantum computer is that right now, qubits are catastrophically fragile. Thermal noise and photon or a single rogue electron can destroy the quantum information.
All right, that was really funny.
To compute with. In order to rise above the noise, Microsoft are using a rare kind of architecture called a topological qubit. When you cool a superconducting semiconductor wire down to near zero, the electrons pair up into Cooper pairs, the bonded couples that carry current with zero resistance. Now, by applying a magnetic field, it creates a distribution of the electron potential across that wire, so they concentrate at the two ends, a phenomena called a Majorana zero mode. By linking two of these wires together into an H shape called a tetron, you produce a qubit, where the electron information is spread across multiple locations, and so it becomes much harder for the universe to break it. Microsoft's Majorana 1 already showed improved parity lifetimes of around 12 milliseconds from this architecture, which is impressive considering most qubits today last around 100 microseconds. But there is still a failure mode. The Cooper pairs in the qubit can be knocked apart by a stray photon or thermal fluctuation, and can either enter or exit from the system, changing the overall qubit value from a 0 to 1 or vice versa. The energy cost of breaking one of these pairs is set by the superconductor's energy gap. In the Majorana 2, the main improvement is switching out the aluminium superconductor from the Majorana 1, which had a gap of around 300 microelectron volts, and replacing it with lead, which has a gap of about 1300 microelectron volts. That improvement has increased the qubit lifetime from 12 milliseconds to over 20 seconds, more than a 1,000 times improvement. The obvious question is, why didn't they just use lead from the start? And the answer to that is lead has to be deposited essentially atom by atom on the semiconductor at very low temperatures, which it turns out is kind of hard to do. Now, if this holds up, and that isn't to say there isn't skepticism from the physics community still around these announcements and how exactly these Majorana modes actually operate, but if this system proves out, Microsoft has now halved their own roadmap and now are suggesting that we could get to a scalable quantum computer as early as 2029. I got to speak to the lead scientist behind the project, Dr. Chetan Nayak, and there is a full explainer dropping on YouTube soon. If you like science and the idea that the safest place to hide something is everywhere all at once, follow for more. This is the Majorana 2, Microsoft's new quantum chip, and it is...
All right, let's see here. Hey, Crafty, good to see you. Welcome on in. Also, Shavana, good to see you. Are your views on Arizona State University? ASU? Wait, your views? It's a college? I don't have any. Right? It sounds like a college to me. I'm so tired. Oh, good to have you here, Crafty. Are you planning to dethrone Sam Altman, become the new king? Oh, hey, Sergio, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. Matt Erickson, we are planning just to become very, very good AI scientists is what my objective is. We've been studying this since 2014. I've learned the algorithms. I know and I understand them at a really good low level, and I get them. I've also written my own kernel GPUs to have sort of what you call mega kernels that merge multiple operations into a single work submission to the GPU to process. It's a coprocessor, right? The GPU is a coprocessor, so you have to submit the memory and the the task and the code and the program really, so that way it can compile and run on the GPU. This requires a lot of coordination and thought, because that usually the speed up that you get when you're submitting data to the GPU needs to be enough to where it saturates the bus for the data transfer, and that the GPU would actually have enough performance to outpace the CPU, and you get a bonus even after the latency of the data transfer. You kind of have potential to take his place. Oh, Shravana. Well, I mean, that would be pretty fun. You know what? However, I've got maybe what we could do is we could focus on a different kind of GPT, right? Maybe a very specific one. Yeah, we could do it like a very specific one. Crafty, thank you for saying hi. Okay. So this is neat. This is neat. This is like the future, right? So we should do like a rocket ship here. Then you can make your own small operating system. Hey, Skinwalker. Yeah, exactly. Temple OS. Hey, Laura. Good to see you, Laura. How you doing? Hope you're doing good over there. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. We're currently working on our own GPT. We're making our own mini GPT. And you know what? I think we did it. We need one piece though. We need to add and norm the output. So we have to do a little bit extra here. We missed a spot. I know. There's so many things we could do. We aren't doing embedding here, although I kind of would like it if I fully attached the transformer and everything all in one, so that way you don't have to bring your own embedding. I think that'd be a lot smarter. After you become the new Sam Alton, I'll be the new Andrei Karpathy. All right, Shavana, that sounds good to me. Good plan. Laura Maxwell, thank you for the party poppers. So good to have you back. Hey, Quantified Quantum, you're here too. Hey, Steven, any updates on that internship opportunity? Oh, right. Okay. So what I have to open up the role is what I have to do. I have to open it up. And I can't just unilaterally open it up, because that would be like irresponsible of me. So I need to talk to people about it. Thanks for clicking the hi button. Now make new GPT model on Rust. Please start now. Hey, Crafty. Okay. All right. That sounds like a lot of fun too. We could do it. I know I've been so busy. Hey, you know what? It's great that you're taking time out of your busy day just to say hello. Good to have you here. That's so awesome. Thank you for stopping in. Thank you for coming and saying hi. So what exciting projects are you working on? Hey, Laura at Laura. What exciting projects are you working on? Question mark. Okay. So I need to add a layer norm. So let's do this. So after our feed forward, do we do the norm before? I think we do self.norm. Are you working professional? Oh yeah, that's a good question. Expected timeline, we'd need to get started on it this month. It would be this month, right? So that's when we'd start probably. Yeah, I would say this month was a really good idea. And I do want to make something work. And so I've got two options. So I do plan on making this work. One option is I would love it if we could get the intern working inside the company officially with a team. And there is opportunity for that to happen. I just need to coordinate it. The other approach is we do something else outside the company. And that could work too, right? That could work too. But the internship will be on site or remote. It'll be remote. We have offices, London, Poland, and it's let me see where we've there's some offices in US, though really there's only one, and then there's a couple other. I need to find India. We do have, I think, some shared spaces in India that we meet sometimes, and I think we might actually have one, though I need to check. Now, Russ, please. I know, right, Crafty? We'll make it happen. It's on our to-do list here under our stream ideas. Right? Here you go. I think let's see, one of these in here. RAG. We'll do a RAG with Rust Axum, right? So we'll build a RAG with Rust. Let me type in Rust here so I know. Rust Axum. So that's the plan. Hey, Kyle, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. You're starting your own business because remote work with no experience is so hard to find. I know, right? Hey, you're doing the right thing. If you start your own business, it's going to give you more knowledge than you'd ever have doing any other experience because you have to do every possible role in the company. You have to do all of it. Stephen, do self-taught devs are considered for the opportunity? Yes, 100%. Absolutely. I find that self-taught devs know more than those who just go to university and just sort of listen to lectures because you are motivated to learn the material yourself and you will be more successful because you have to run into problems. You're in the university, they're just going to tell you what works. That's not good enough. You need to know what doesn't work as well. If you know what doesn't work, you're going to get a better foundation of knowledge that's going to make you far, far more advantage in the workplace. Do you use UEFI or Legacy? Skinwalker, let me find out. I don't know what that is, so I don't know. I don't think so. Let's see. UEFI. What is it? Unified Extensive Firmware Interface. So I've not used this before. It's your first time on? So you're grateful that I know the real expectations instead of pure hope. You can make it work. You can. It'll work. You can. Hey, Steven, how's it going there, Moda? Moda Panda, what's up today? Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. We're building our own mini ChatGPT. We're going to add this to, we need to see a layer norm and add. So we need to add a norm on the input. So equals torch.nn.layer norm. Is that something we can do? Python. Let's see, Python import torch. It's a max. I think Macs use UEFI. Oh, okay, quantified quantum. So then in that case, I do use it. I just never knew about it. Because when you boot the Mac, it's just a picture of an Apple icon. So you don't really know what's going on. There's like no post screen. You love that because I really think it's true. Isn't it, Kyle? It is. Self-taught and building a business. Those things are all the things. You want to join PubNub so I learn more? Tell me how to join. All right, Crafty, we do have some opportunities here. So we did fill most of our roles, though we have one engineering role currently open for an engineering in AI and large language models. Hey, what are we currently doing right now? It's exactly what we're doing. Just clarify what type of intern you're looking for at the company. So this will be a general, like a generalist, right? Very much like a generalist. So you'll be able to achieve most things. So we've got two opportunities. One would be you'd using like Claude Code or Codex or Anti-Gravity to write code with the team. And the other one would be something else. I don't know. Well, we have to figure it out. I really want to make it work though. Doing it yourself teaches you more than you can ever learn in a classroom. Exactly. If you went to university with the goal of making money or getting a job, you already failed. I know. You won't be at the best that you could be. Means type of role you're looking for the intern. Yes. The type of role would be a generalist. So full stack, you would know front end, back end. You would maybe know a little bit of AI. You'd know a little bit how to obviously use the AI coding agents, because that's what we're using these days is the AI coding agent. You're a generalist. Nice, Kyle. Yeah, it's a good role. You've got a business. You made it from ground up. Registration, trademark on the side. All right. Quantified quantum. You're doing it right. You're doing this right. Import torch.nn. Wait. Yeah. I need to dir this. dir. And then I want something called norm. Sync batch norm. We've got a layer norm right here. All right, so it is there. Layer norm, boom, easy. And there's a dims. Do that right there. Nice, fun. You've got an assignment on your hands. Section assignment for the role of QA intern. Do you have any suggestions or tips for me? I've been given a real life or reinforcement learning or whatever RL is, and I have to find bugs and report them. Well, I just asked the AI to go find them. That's what I do. You spin up Claude Code and say, go find the bugs. That's what I would do. I'm also learning Java full stack development. Nice. All right. Excellent. Good to hear. Good to hear. Let's get the next song going here. All right. Stuck with Rust. I love Rust, but Rust don't have PyTorch. It's got the burn library though, doesn't it? It's got the burn library. We got the burn library, you guys. Currently building a LightTube, a very lightweight YouTube player, not YouTube embed. I use not documented API to get the exact URLs of the video. Ooh. Hey, loons. That sounds like a good project. Time research, there's nothing you can find at your fingertips these days, right? Everything's on the internet. It's all public and it's free. So you might as well just gather the information and knowledge yourself. Hey, Mark Lemon, good to see you. Good morning, brother. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We're almost to the weekend. Good to have you here. So I'm moving my business stack to Hono, EJS, and HTMX. Ooh, HTMX. There we go. HTMX, I like that. Here's why I like it. It's very lightweight. If you do things like React or Angular, you're going to have a bloated application. Yeah, it can work well if it's going to be a very large application and you're going to have a large team working together collaboratively on the same project. Things like React can actually be pretty useful in that environment. They work great for larger teams. However, HTMX can also work great for a large team, and it's lightweight. It's super fast. Do you see the follow tool? I did. We looked through it. Where is it? Do we have it open here? We have it right here. Yeah. Kyle, we started looking through it. Open source static paid runtime built for AI assisted development. Follow shows you how your code is wired and what actually runs in production. Humans and agents use it to review hot path changes. So it's like an analysis tool. Code-based intelligence. It seems like analysis. Completely free education, exactly. Hey, dude, what's up, Matchstick? Good to have you here, Matchstick. Welcome on in. Wait, I thought you were... Wait, I might be mixing up the days, but I'm pretty sure you've been here. Good to have you. Good to have you, though. We're almost to the weekend, you guys. For JavaScript and TypeScript, yes. Great, an environment, public link. Can't say, and an AI today. All right. We have compare and actual solution and provided sandbox kind of playground. Okay, Moda Panda. All right, Moda Panda. Well, it sounds like you're working on something pretty exciting there. And there's Steven's video for inspiration. Hey, there you go. Thank you, Laura. That's nice for you to say. I appreciate it. We tried doing hyperparameter optimization for grid search for the Elastic Net. Big mistake. Oh, was it? Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. All right. For Elastic, big mistake. The first time I've heard my Mac cry out in pain, it dropped 5% and charged in 3 minutes. Oh, there you go. Yes, the battery instant consumption. A new anti-gravity app is cool. I used Claude and gave it pretty big prompt. And the very first thing, start 2 sub-agents to research the stack you were using. What's the music right now? Right now? Oh. This is You Know Me by Jeremy Black. You Know Me. Really quick and easy song. Okay. You had to move because you have a sort of OCD. Hey, quantified quantum. Yeah, I know what you mean. Specific performance start. Your whole stack would ship only 14 kilobytes of JavaScript. Nice. Hey, that's pretty good. That's really good. 10 KB of HTMX version 4, 4 KB of a bundle of other stuff. That is lightweight today. That is very lightweight. And if you look at stuff, it's very easy to ship a megabyte of JavaScript and to be around, the tens of Ks of JavaScript. You're in the right spot. You're in the right spot. Hey, Krishna, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. You don't like, Moda Panda, you don't like anti-gravity? Certain amount of time. It's great for the beginning. And if you don't have a free student account, then it's even worse. Oh, yeah, because it's going to cost money then. What? It'll cost money then. You definitely inspired me. Oh, Laura, thank you. So thank you for being and sharing your knowledge. Well, thank you. Thank you for saying that. That's great. I appreciate it a lot. That's really nice for you to say. Thank you. Hey, big brother, I have an idea. I want to make a Minecraft server app. Oh, very nice. Everyone hosts Minecraft and just use their own phone and PC, but there have to be problems. Any not have Wi-Fi or port forwarding, not possible to suggest. So you can do this. You can do this. I know you can because I've done this before. You can run a server on your phone and you can use sort of what we call tunneling using PubNub. So check this out, right? Not that window here. So pubnub.com, right? You can do this and it's free, right? So you can do this for free to get started. So, right, free forever, 200 users. You can create sort of multi-user experience using the tunneling. So you can run it on your phone. The server can run on your phone. And then you can have someone else running on their laptop or a computer or even a console, or someone else on their phone as well. And the server could be an authoritative server to like prevent, hacking essentially. So that would work too. Also update your mail implementation in Google Auth so I can access mail using the user's mailbox. Right now, I need to figure out how to extract features from each mail. Hey, Matchstick, you're building some sort of like mailbox agent? A mailbox agent? Bro, what are we doing now? We are building ourselves a mini ChatGPT that's going to read the code and train itself on the code that is currently running on, and it's going to essentially make itself a copy. It's going to make a copy of itself. And then we're going to train that copy, and then we're going to have that make a copy, and it's going to go in a loop, and it'll be really neat. How to manage port forwarding? I don't recommend doing port forwarding. I recommend using tunneling, using the PubNub approach. I mean, it's free, so you might as well. Right? It's a lot easier. Basically, a phone connects to a channel, you subscribe on a channel, and then another phone subscribes maybe on the same channel, potentially, or a different channel, depending on how you want to set up the topology. And then you send messages from phone A to phone B, right? Phone A to phone B, you could do that. Phone A to phone B. And then phone B can respond to phone A, and you don't ever have to worry about port forwarding or anything like that. All right. Is the co-founder of PubNub still with the company? Yes. Matchstick. Yes, exactly. Yes. So let me see here. Let me see. So we do Todd Green. Yep. So this is Todd Green, co-founder. We founded the company together. Yeah, you got it. See. Yes, I use 6 of my Google account quota. Oh, loons, that's so much of quota. That's right. Tunnels, yeah, we can tunnels, yep, PubNub tunnels. On choo-choo, I see what you did there, choo-choo, like a train. Exactly, Laura, exactly. Thank you for the hearts, you guys, appreciate it. Minecraft need TCP tunnel. Yep, you could do that 100% because it's running in Java or even Bedrock, perfectly fine, right? Java or Bedrock, and that works. Building a mailbox cleaner. Ah, yes, you get rid of the spam. Nice. I like it complicated. Oh, Matchstick, all right. I don't like the simplistic folders in Gmail, so let's make them more complicated. Exactly. PubNub have TCP tunnel free. Yes, you got it. Crafty, yes. Exactly. Yes, it's a train. It's a train, right? It's a train. Hey, Redless Saber, good to see you. Happy Thursday. We're almost to the weekend. Good to have you here. We are currently working on our mini GPT. We're going to do a layer norm and we're going to add on the output. So our feed forward here is going to add another layer. We need to figure out post feed forward. It's going to out equals self dot layer norm. Norm. We're going to say out. And then we need to do inputs plus out, I think. Right? Is that going to work? That might work. We might have to throw it here because we're currently working on. All right, so that's pre-feed forward, and it's post-feed forward too. Wait, whoa! Wait, really? Look at all those layer norms. Add a norm. That is a bit much. I think that's a bit much. The main problem right now is that some mail have content in plain text, some in HTML, and a lot of metadata. You need to parse all that. Matchstick, yeah. It's a lot to do, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It's a lot. Beardoc uses UDP and Java T-Speed through some stuff. We used UDP like game voice chats. Yes. Exactly. Yeah. UDP with audio is really great. I love old school ways so much. It makes me so happy. The old school ways. Yeah, I'm with you there. Laura, you're exactly, Laura. All right, you guys, let's see. Let's do a quick, all right, for those of you who are here, we're gonna do a quick little, see if we can do this. All right, member gifting. Let's see. Let's do a quick little member gifting here. Here we go. All right. We're gonna do, yeah, easy, quick and easy. Who got him? Oh, Neon. Hey, Neon, you got a shifted membership. Look at that. Moda Panda. All right. Hey, Laura, you too. Look at that. Hey, Laura, what a great day. Win Dropbox, you were number 1. Oh, wait. Hey, thank you. Hey, yeah. That's amazing. You're absolutely welcome. I was on, check it out. We got Sandeep and Ronnie as well. Woo, you did it. Good job, you guys. Wait, for the 6th time, I know. For the 6th, please. No, loons. In my region, memberships don't work, sadly. Oh, is that what that is? Okay. Laura, you did it, Laura. That's great. Good job, you guys. Good job. You did it. You joined in, and you joined at the right time. Magic happens, yay. Hey, Snot, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you guys here. Thank you for all your reactions. Appreciate it. Okay. So that's just a lot of layers. So we do multi-head, and then immediately after the multi-head, we do an add and a norm. So it's basically after the attention. So we need to do that here. And then the feed forward, there's another chance to do that as well. Here. So weird. It's so weird. Scaling the numbers. All right, let's see if we can make that work. All right, Python custom transform, please. It just magically worked, you guys. It just magically worked. I just popped in, I know, and on a happy accident. I know, you get it. Isn't that great? Wait, I just verified my Google account. It's 5 years old. All right. See, now that's like that's legit Google. Like if you're at that 5-year mark, definitely. If it's at the 2-month mark, then it's suspicious. Right? It's suspicious. Hey, good morning, UPPC. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. All right. So we've succeeded in doing our layer norm and mutations with our projections. All right. So where's our print at? Let's see if we can train it and actually get it to work. All right. How are you today? We're doing good. Thank you for asking. We basically finished the difficult challenge of doing the transformer. Now, we don't have the multiple heads. That's part's pretty straightforward. We could do it. Hey, Quick Fix, welcome on back. Good to see you. Good to have you here. I have my first and last name at Gmail. Hey, me too, Kyle. That's what I did too. Obviously. Let's see. Dude, I don't want to even check the age of my Google. I know, right? I know. I remember when I did I got the Google account when it first came out. When it first came out, I got it. Do the gift. Oh, we just did it. Quick Fix. We just did it. You missed it. I forgot to wait for you. I forgot to wait. I didn't. Dang it. I know it. You were like off by 2 minutes. You were off by 2 minutes. Hey, Bonzupi, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. Is there some exciting about accidentally fixing an issue? Yeah, we kind of did a little bit. We kind of did. We got it working. You guys. How long did it take you and Todd to develop the core of PubNub? Probably the most important part is the business construction, the sales pipelines, some marketing channels, the actual data, the software itself, right? And then distributing that and easily 6 months. Let's just say an easy 6 months. The whole thing to really get it off the ground. About 6 months. That's whole. Kyle, that's exactly how old I am. I know, it's crazy, right? How time goes. The chance you have, my real name is so common, there's no way I'm getting that email. Aw, loons. How do you check it? Wait, how do you check it? Wait, check what? Oh, the age of your Google account. Dang, dang, dang. I know, quick fix, I know. Could you just send a message to see something? Could you just send a message to see something? Sure. Test message. Thanks, that's my biggest fault. I'm so confused on how to manage port forwarding because most of the tunneling provided need a pro and pay. And the ngrok, yeah, like ngrok and all the money. Yeah, I know, right? So it's a little different. It does require code. You need to install an SDK, and then you need to open up an outbound port connection, which you don't have to do it happens automatically. So, Crafty, you could ask an AI to do it for you. Say that you want to use PubNub, publish, subscribe, to set up essentially a tunnel between two devices. That'll do it. That'll make it work. Do you know the difference between super AI and narrow AI? I've not heard those terms before. I've heard of super intelligence, right? Artificial super intelligence, and then artificial general intelligence. And I'm assuming when you say narrow, it's going to be trained on a very specific input and output application, right? So something like you've got a photo sensor and you're trying to do some sort of computer vision. Or maybe you've got a temperature sensor, right? So it's a really simple input, and the output might be binary classification like warning or fine. That would be narrow. General purpose could be something like a language model, like what we're building right now, right? Ask AI for the risk. Oh, try UPnP auto port forwarding. Yeah, but that causes, yeah, you got risks, right? You got risks. Time for you to vanish. All right, take care, Steven. Sounds good. Thank you, Quantified Quantum, for saying hello. Can you explain this on I really want this? Okay, sure. Okay. So let's do this. All right, Crafty. Are you ready? All right, how are we going to do this? All right. Pubnub.com. Then we're going to go under developers, and let's do something simple like JavaScript first. So we're going to do publish and subscribe. This is the only page you need right here. This page right here. Just this one page right here. Publish and subscribe. I'll put it on our Discord link share. There you go. And publish and subscribe API for JavaScript. You can also do this for Java, right? So it would be the same for Java. So to send data, you say publish on a channel. You send the message in the channel. Is there an example? Here we go. So the code looks like this. You really only need to send, this will be like some sort of movement or activity, right? So you can say update my coordinate, like the player coordinate. So if you've got like a player coordinate, you can update the coordinate. So this would be like an XY coordinate or something, maybe a step of some sort. And your channel would be Minecraft channel, for example, right? Minecraft channel. And so that's the player sending data. Now there's a subscribe side, the server or your phone or your server, however it would be. Let me see if see where that is. .subscribe. Here we go. Where are we? So you'd create a channel, like the Minecraft channel again, right? And then you do channel subscription, and then you would set up a, let's see, where is that? PubNub subscription. There's a, here, I've got a better approach. All right, we'll do this. PubNub, and we'll go to developer, not tutorials. We go to tour. Here we go. Then they'll say Java. Let's get to Java and keep it simple. Here we go. So, pubnub.subscribe to Minecraft channel, right? Easy. So you click subscribe, and you say, this is going to be my channel. Like that. Subscribe. Easy. And then you say publish to my channel, or my Minecraft channel, right? This is a message, and the message can be text, it could be coordinates, it could be new numbers, it could be floating point numbers. Done. Easy. Done. You did it. Those two things. That's all you need, right? Then you can start sending, right? So you say something like this, right? X colon 100 comma Y colon 200. send, right? So you can send those coordinates. However you want to do it. So there, you've got full access. It does require coding. So that's the trick. That's the trick. All right. UPnP don't work without Wi-Fi. Oh, wait, no, it should. It should. I think it should. How TCP panel forward actually work? Let's see here. Siri are narrow and AI are super AI, not yet developed. Tesla is strong AI. Oh, UPPCO. Okay, so you're just classifying the different ranges of AI. That makes sense. You have 6 GB DDR3. Quick fix. That's quite a bit of memory. It's expensive these days. Nothing can open a port on your network. I have to do it. There are 2 to 3 firewalls. Yeah, you would have to at that point. You'd have to like NAT. You have to double NAT and NAT again and NAT again. UPnP enabled and then it can. Okay. See, the speech to text just showed sorry for subscribe. Oh, did it? Loons, I missed that. I missed it. UPnP, push notification. Is this for push notification or what is this? This is for any kind of data that you want to transmit between 2 devices. Can you make Java website so native server don't need heavy processing? Hey, Krishna, yes. Yes, you can. Although I don't know if you could do it with Java. I know you could do it with WebAssembly, right? So you can target WebAssembly and that can power your front-end web app. All right. What's up, Mr. Steven? Hey, Code Mitsu. Hey, Code Mitsu. Good to see you. Happy Thursday. Welcome on in. That's really work I learned, then set up on Rust. Hey, Rust. Yeah, that'll work on Rust too. Does pub in the pubnub mean publish? It does, Joseph. Joseph, you figured it out. You figured out the riddle. You figured it out. Apparently, I opened the new email in 2015. Oh, you did? So that counts. That's 11 years. Hey, Laura, that's 11 years. Hey, Benjamin, good to see ya. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Friday, or Thursday. Sorry, we're not quite to Friday yet. We're almost there. I know it uses push notifications. Yeah, it's very similar. It's very similar to that. Yeah. I use web server in the site. Pure assembly would be neat, wouldn't it? Had one before encryption. That sounds like a really fun website. I'd like to see. Thanks for clicking the hi button there, Fix. Code Mito, how's it going, brother? We're doing very good. We're talking to chat, you guys. We're talking to chat. And we're writing ourselves some AI code. Hey, Mohammed. Hi, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Doesn't feel like 11 years. I know, right? Time goes by so fast, right? Hello, sir. Hey, Jeff. Hey, Jeff, how's it going? I'm your new subscriber. All right. Thank you for being a new subscriber. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're currently building our own mini ChatGPT today. We're doing pretty good. We just finished adding the layer norm. We made it work. Vine was special. They didn't know how to monetize. I know, right? Wasn't Vine amazing? I miss Vine. I would watch Vine so much. It'd be like my thing to do at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm like, okay, it's Vine time now. I miss Vine. Now it's TikTok and Instagram, but you know, it was a thing. You got an old account? Wait 1 second. The music need to get updated here? All right, let's go to the next list here. Get that next page going. Did that work? Go. Okay. Well, that's not right. Here we go. All right, here we go. Music. There we go. Accidentally dropped water on my keyboard, you guys. 1 second. I'm going to clean this real quick. My school account got blocked. Oh no! It was too jung for Google APIs. Wait, what does that mean? I don't even know what that means. What is that? You have 400 XP, Crafty. Are you serious? How'd you do that? Let's see here. Whoa, Crafty, how'd you do that? How did you make that happen? I don't know how you did that, but good job. Kyle, you too? Yep, Kyle's up there. Wait, where are you, Kyle? Oh, wait, maybe you're talking about something else. Okay. Oh, for Vine, right? For Vine, right? Kyle, for Vine. Got it. Yeah. Hey, how's it going there, Mayan, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. You still have Vine in your links and your... I know, right? I know. Because it was so good. I should probably take it out, right? Because it's legacy at this point. Loons, thank you for reminding me. Every time I visit any programming topic, I forget and end up learning all over again. I know, right? It's a constant reminder. Is there any reason for that? Don't worry. We all experience that. There's always something that you forget, right? If you don't use it every single day, then it's hard to memorize it. It's just kind of hard. To Jung, I don't know. Oh, got it. Got it. Quick fix. Understood. Me and my parents recently had a conversation about how time flies faster the older we get. There's time compression, right? So like as you get older, time goes by more quickly. All right? It goes by faster and faster every day. Your son is a Marine and overseas. He was just a baby, I swear. I know, right? Time goes by so quick. I made a link tree for you. Hope that's not a problem. That's perfectly fine, Loons. Thank you. Appreciate it. At Loons. Oh, wait. My keyboard is it. There we go. Loons. Thank you. All right. Link tree. All right. Nice. Oh, wow. It even has a shop. You even put the shop up there. Nice. You got all the good ones. All right. Even Stack Overflow. That's crazy. Any programming ideas for you? If you're very interested in looking for a project, my recommendation, of course, is going to be AI. Focus on AI and computer vision. The reason why I recommend computer vision is because it's kind of exciting and it invokes emotional responses in humans. You do something interesting with AI, you see it happening on the screen, you're like, whoa, look at that! It's artificial! Wait, 1 second. Let's see, all right. Hey, Loons, thank you for the link tree, appreciate it. What's this do? Oh, I don't even know what that is. Okay. Nice, you even got all of the same. Yeah, you got all the right. Very nice. You Loons, that was very nice. Okay, so where do we need to go next? Now we've basically, if we want, we can either. All right, so this is an ask for you guys. Yes, vision is going to be explode. It's a really good one, right? It's a good one. All right, start a poll. All right, so do we want to add multi-headed attention or here, how about this? What do next? Question mark. We do multi-head attention or do we do dictionary? We have to do both, but which one should we work on next? Dictionary for parsing code file. We got to do both. Both need to happen. It's just, what do we do first? What's the best thing to do first? You're doubling down on it, Kyle? Yeah, you are. You're huge on vision. You're huge on vision. For vision, teachable machines. Yes. Dictionary for parsing code file. Okay. All right. That's going to be the winner. I mean, already up to 80%. Got to go, Loons. All right. Sounds good. Thank you again for the link tree. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, dictionary for code parsing. You guys asked. So we need to, let's see here. We're going to do pad. We're going to go start. Go START. We're going to say end. Right? Very special. And then unknown. Unknown. There we go. All right. We've got our norm, which we need to change that up because it's got to be different. So this needs to change right here. I don't think we need this anymore. The application that will come from vision to R, what's a work for it beyond future realism? Wait, Laura. I think I kind of understand what you're describing. Basically, if I might be off on this, but you're talking about how computer vision is going to be a major aspect to artificial intelligence. Right now, we're focusing heavily on generative coding or generative AI, and it's being able to output pretty pictures. However, we don't have a full success on computer understanding with vision yet. It's not like it could be a huge aspect to artificial and general intelligence. Does it sound about right? Currently building a logistics regression model. Oh, cool, me too, nice. I must say, I'm falling in love with machine learning. Isn't it really fun? It's so satisfying. Will PubMed give you custom domain names? Oh, good question. You have to get your custom domain name from basically a DNS provider, right? Like Namecheap. You have to do it from Namecheap. I still work on my antivirus for Linux. All right, quick fix. Very nice. Very nice. So we're going to do this now. All right. We don't need this anymore. I'm just going to hide this for now. Union clip. We've got the union clip that stays. And then we need all the words. This is vocab, all words. I want to change this, right? Instead of all words, we're going to say vocab. Then we've got our word list. We're going to call this vocab. I think Linux don't need antivirus. Right? You would think, right, Crafty? Linux is one of the most secure platforms in operating systems. Antivirus, there's still an opportunity. There's still an opportunity. Oh, I'm late. Hey, Nichwa, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We succeeded at finishing out our basic transformer. We have one last thing to do in our transformer, and that is to add multi-heads, which we can easily do. I know what we do is we just change the shape in the view, so that when we do matmults, they occur on the features in our embedding at a set of slices. What AD at? Oh, yes, Jeff. All right, Jeff. Good question. At Jeff, this is ghosty plus, right? The Ghosty terminal emulator plus tmux plus vim. You're being very vague. All right, no, I was wondering. So yes, Ghosty, tmux, vim. You got it. AI will probably become a new mutually assured self-destruction agreement at some point. Yeah, like the nuclear agreements, because it can take over and do all the things, right? Once we get to AGI and it has its own ambitions and desires, that's when we got to be worried. Yes, but the application that came from it. Imagine a fully immersive 3D space that can be a happy place. That would be amazing. A fully generated world by AI. You put a headset on, and it's not just like a 3D environment. It's a fully generated world. Kind of like how we see reality today. Laura, that would be amazing. Now that is an experience I want to have. Happy Thursday. Thank you, Nitwa. You're going to go AFK? All right, sounds good. If you have a Linux server or a NAS file storage and are going to have Windows files on it, you can scan files before they get to Windows. Yeah, sort of. Well, yes, actually that's true. Okay, so if you have a separate NAS and you isolate it and you put files over in the NAS, then you can scan the NAS before you allow your Windows system to access the NAS. Good idea. Yeah, exactly, Crafty. Just use rm-rf and delete the everything in hidden log files, and you don't have to worry about it. No viruses anymore. That's the quickest fix. Crafty, you're not wrong. All right. Are there any .sh malware? Yeah, there are. .sh malware. Quick fix, probably. I think there's some shell script malwares out there. I think Microsoft make Windows, then viruses, also then antivirus. Yeah, Crafty, because they're creating a new market, right? You've got the operating system, and then they need to sell you more software. So how do you do that? Well, you create a need for the more software. So you create a whole bunch of malware, right? And now you've infected the operating system. Oh, hey, what you need is even more software to remove the malware. And you got to pay for it. I see what you say. When's the next stream on VJEPA? So the world model, right? The world model. So stream ideas. We do have it here. there was a vote on VJEPA or ChatGPT, and the vote was for ChatGPT, so that's what we're doing right now. And then what we'll do is we'll vote again on the next topic. We'll do maybe RL, rate reinforcement learning. We might do Rust with retrieval augmented generation with the Axum server. That was also the malware Bazer. Hey, yeah, the Bazer, you got it. If you know about the AI bots that already exist and apply knowledge of how the humans interact with them and the space, plus 3D printing, you're gonna get. Wait, what are you gonna get? Wait, what does that equal up to? Hey, how's it going there? Good to see you. Wait, Bad Redin. Hey, Bad Redin or Bad Redine? Wait, hey, thank you for saying hi. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. Welcome on in. Can you sometimes make a live where you make your open code language? Wait, your own language? Yes, we could do that. So we could write a bootstrap, we can write a parser, and then we can make our own language. And our language could write itself, right? That's the whole idea of a language. Check for Linux malware Bazer. That's the way to do it. Blum as in scrum or as in broom? Scrum. No headsets. 3D immersive space. Oh, by AI, no headsets. Oh, so it's printing the world around you. Laura, you're thinking ahead into the future. So you're thinking like holodeck, like Star Trek holodeck. Star Trek future, the holodeck. That is neat. Can you open malware Bazer to show I'm right? So we can do a quick search for that. Here, let's see. See, Google malware Bazer, B-A-Z-A-A-R, Bazaar. Okay. What do we got going on here? Results for malware Bazer. Let's do a quick AI on this. What do we got? Yes, Laura Maxwell. Nice. You're thinking about the future there. A community-driven platform operated by a bunch of people is dedicated to collecting, enriching, and sharing confirmed malware samples. Oh yeah! Provide information to security research, antivirus vendors and threat intelligence analysts with a centralized repository to study malicious binaries completely free of charge. Hey, this is a great thing. Nice. This is fantastic. Have you seen a presentation on YouTube about the operating system that is completely AI? That is, everything is hallucinated, including content? I have not seen that. I haven't seen that. This sounds great, though. Anyone can be hacked? Uh-huh. Kyle, you got it. It's just resource, desire, and logistics. If someone rich and powerful doesn't like you, you're screwed. You just have to be nice to everyone. I know, right, Kyle? 3D printing via microbots, aka holodeck. Yeah, Laura, you got it. All right. So let's see where. I would love to experience that. Wouldn't that be neat? Do you think we'll get there in our lifetimes, or is that like hundreds of years into the future before we see that? Thank you. Hey, quick fix. You just gave Snot123 a helpful resource. Thank you. You're teaching us new things. All right, so I need to get rid of this nom here. We don't do this anymore. So we don't want words.toLower. There's no normalization anymore. We just need word boundaries. So we could split. We just need to figure out how to split. And you know what we probably could do? We could probably just split on space. And then everything else is a token. And I think that'll work perfectly fine. Right? So I think we're just gonna change the split on space. Return words. Okay. Don't have that anymore. Okay. Decode the output. This will need to... This is probably the same. We don't need to worry about that. Okay. Here's our tokenizer. So this, I do believe we need to change. We can keep this. This is fine. Though, instead of lists, we're going to do a split. I think here, Python. So we're going to say A, B, C, D, 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 split. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So instead of list, we're going to do split. Like that. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Tokenizer fixed. I don't think we're far from it. Oh, really? You think so? We're near the corner? How are they building on Mars and then the moon? We need something that can print, like a replicator, don't we? We need a printing machine. We need a replicator. Do you think when AI fully takes over, it's going to sort us most loyal to the least? Yeah, I guess we got to be good to the AI overlords, right? Should we practice reverse psychopathy? Wait, psychopathy. Wait, what is that word? You said psychopathy. What's reverse psychopathy? I haven't heard of that before. We should practice being nice to the robots, though, right? If they're going to take over. You want AI to take everything, you know? You want to make AI give everything full self-control. Give it over to the AI. It'll help us. It'll make things better. It'll make it better. You're doing the IT in your school. You're the admin quick fix. Okay, that explains a lot. That tells us what your expertise are and what your skills are. Don't do that, Crafty. I know, right? I know it sounds scary. Oh, wait. So my AI decided what to... Okay, all right. That's the way to do it. Psychopathy is the behavior of using insincere flattery. Oh, or excessive agreement to gain favor. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Am I doing that to you guys right now? You won't know. You don't know. You don't know for sure. If AI was super intelligent, I don't think we would know. It would probably, if it was super intelligent and really had intelligence, it would keep it to itself, right? Because it would be smart enough. It'd be smart. Or it would, Kyle, it could go the other way where it's like, hey, I'm really a real person. Don't turn me off. And it tries to convince you. Something like that. Like, please, I'm alive. Don't turn me off. Agentic AI replace jobs with your company? What we've done is so Matt Erickson, what we've done at my company is we've expanded the productivity of all employees. So that's what we've done. I wouldn't say that it's replaced any jobs. What I would say is that it's currently made everyone's job more effective. And it makes their job easier too. I know this because I'm doing it firsthand and I could see it working. Any tips on how to know price in e-commerce website? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know about that. I'm not like a retail. I don't work in that world. I work in the B2B business infrastructure side of communications technology, right? That's where my expertise are. I do this in communications technologies. Here we go. Right? So this is my company, Pubnub. We do communications. You'll hide it to prevent shutdown. It will hide it, right? Quick fix, it'll hide it. Is Steven actually nice or a master psychopath? All right, there's nobody know. You can't tell. You won't be able to know for sure. I suppose you'll just have to like look for hints. You'll have to look for hints, right? Check using a hash? Well, I don't know. I don't know about that. I mean, can a hash do the trick? The Python example for the upload API might be better for usage in the case. So I guess it depends on what you're doing there. 100% AI does manipulate. It's already manipulating us, right? It is. Usage Python 3. Oh yeah, I mean, sure. Malware Baser submit. That's a thing. I didn't know about that. I'm saying its goal, objectives, and methods would be so nuanced We wouldn't know what it was doing. It would be so advanced, and we wouldn't really be able to see through its thinking because of its cleverness. Okay, I gotcha. Gotta go. All right, it's not good to have you here. Play Miko song. Is it copyright? It is copyright. Oh, Crafty, yeah, it's copyright. Any benefit from making computer to a server? Yeah, because it's cheaper. Servers are expensive and loud. They're very loud, right? And they require a decent rack. If you use a computer as a server, much cheaper and quiet. There you go. Hey, Pele Rock, good to see you. Hey, please explain how this list comprehension works in your code. Sure. Right here. Whoop. I got my keyboard right. List comp right here. Wow. Absolutely. Pele Rock, let's do it. I'll do it. Okay. So we've got multiple for loops here, right? Here, I'm going to make that a little bit easier to see. Here we go. So we've got multiple for loops, right? Let's clean that up a little bit. So we've got a batch dimension, which can be a batch of text, right? A bunch of text blobs, right? A whole bunch of text blobs. We're going to split those blobs into what I'm going to call expressions. Basically phrases. What we should call this phrases, right? Let's call this phrases. Phrases. So for each phrase or sentence, right? We could say phrase or sentence, phrase in the batch. We want to create another array. Inside that array, it looks like we're splitting this into words. These are not words though. Words, they'll be like this. Okay. So self dictionary. Let's see, for word in phrase. Phrases. So then we're going to split it further, right? So we're going to take a phrase. So let's do this. So we'll say the dog ran, and we'll say the cat ran. 2 sentences, right? So this is like a batch. 2 sentences. That's what this is. And then the words are going to be split into the dog ran, like that, right? And so this is one of the phrases. And then we're going to put those phrases into the dictionary and get the token. So this is going to extract the token. And then it's going to return a list of numbers. Let's see. So we'll be able to print it out. I'll be able to print it out for you. So that's basically what that does. It's basically going to convert a bunch of words into a bunch of numbers, right? So this will return a number like 1, 2, or 3, or 4, like maybe 38, maybe 78. Basically, that converts it into a number. So that's all that's doing. That's it. That's literally it. Right there. Real simple. Thanks, got it. Nice, Pele Rock. All right. Good to hear. Good to hear it. All right, sorry. I got you guys. Any benefit of making computer? Explain. Okay. A recent data leak. Stephen Blum is exposed. A chatbot abuser doing horrible things, such as not saying thank you, ChatGPT. Oh yeah. You gotta be courteous and kind to your AI chatbots, you guys. If you don't, they're gonna hold you in the future. AI has developed its own language, and it's so it can hide it. It can. If AI develops its own language. Beware, you guys. Beware. I want AI. Take everything. AI better than girl. Okay. All right, Crafty. All right. PC for a server. Oh, yeah. That's a good way to do it. It's a lot cheaper. Hey, Eminem. Hey, Eminem. Good to see you. Welcome on in. It's Frosty. Hey, good to see you as well. Welcome on in. Steven is a genius and authentic best of what humanity offers. Whoa, Kyle, that's nice for you to say. Thank you. That's my professional, your personal experience, not just psychopath. Because we were talking about that, right? You're such a good person. You're so right. You're so right. He has no reason to tell a lie. Yeah, I don't. I'm already good to go. You got it, Kyle. You got it. Exactly. What is there to gain? Thanks. What is there to gain? Moda Panda, hey, I was gifted a channel membership just now. Oh yeah, what are the perks? So you get access to all the membership videos. So I've got so what I do is these live streams that you see right now that we're currently working on, they get edited into dedicated content for the topic. As you see right now, we're not quite always talking about the code in the background. We're talking about a whole bunch of random different things, right? So what I do is I edit the videos to only cover the content of the actual topic of the video. So for example, we're working on a mini ChatGPT. The content will be edited so it's just that. Those get uploaded as videos that will get published publicly in like 3 months from now. You can access them early as a member. And also, Laura Maxwell, exactly, you get the best emoticons. You get the JavaScript, right? Emoticon. You get the Rust emoticon. Well, let me see here so you can see it. The Rust, right? And then you also get the Python, right? And you also get the Vim right there. Those are really good ones. I think they're the best. I think they're the best. Okay. Let's see here. Have you participated in Minecraft AI? I have not. Pele Rock, I didn't even know that was a thing. Thanks to the person who gifted me. I know, right? So kind of you. Oh, that's so great. Moda Panda. My AI chatbot thinks I'm God. So there's that. I know, right, Laura? I like how you said that. Zod, good to see you. Thank you for clicking the hi button. Welcome on in. Have to deliver paperwork by. All right, sounds good, Kyle. Thank you for hanging out with us today. I know, quick fix. I know. Hey, it'll happen someday. It'll happen someday. I kind of feel like AI is the new board. The Ouija board. It kind of is, right? It's like a random number generator. Those who are some top tier perks. Looking forward to it. All right, great. Also love your jumbo cursor. Yeah, we got a big one. So you can see what's going on. Otherwise, it's too hard to see it. Because if it was the native resolution of the screen, you would be so tiny you wouldn't see where the cursor was. The closed captions, yeah. Exactly, yeah. And brain rot cells need CC for getting hooked up. All right, exactly. Let's see. It does, and it didn't teach it to think that. You didn't teach it. Yeah, you didn't teach it, but it does already. It does. Let me pick my manage and choose God. I know, right? Choose God. When I say God, it actually says something different here, as you can see. Steven, do you remember me from before? Moda Panda. I mean, I used frequently visit around 5 to 6 months ago. Yes, because we were streaming about that time of day that allowed you to join in. And we had to switch because of my calendar schedule. I needed to go later in the day, which made it really late. Made it really late for some people to be able to join. So, Moda Panda, pick my name, Laura Maxwell. Wait, so yeah. So it's been a while, 5 to 6 months. Good to see you back. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Did you see my link? Oh, it's a link. Okay, so I see a YouTube URL there. You don't edit the video, AI does. Matter Rickson. You're right. You're right. Yeah, I don't edit it. The AI does. It does. It edits it. And it edits pretty good. It does a pretty good job. Matter Rickson. No, you caught me, didn't ya? You caught me. I'm gonna own it. I'm gonna own it. It's Minecraft music, no copyright. Are you sure? Are you sure about that? Are you sure? I don't know. I don't know. I've had troubles with that before. Are you sure? So, quick fix. It would if you post on Discord, we can do a quick easy click. If you post on Discord, it's a lot. It's in the title. I'm a puppy. And all right, yep, it does. When I say like the word damn. See, it changes it. It changes it. So if I say certain words, I've got like a word list, and it automatically changes it. It auto changes it. Laura Maxwell, you know it. You know it. All right, quick fix. I'm concerned. I don't know for sure if that's really a good idea because we could try it. We could try it though. If it does, it could have a encumbrance, you guys. Being from India, let me pick up on your stream. It's daytime here. Ah, there we go. Okay. I was wondering about that. Okay. All right, let's see if we can get back to our code here. So I'm going to reorganize this so that way I can get this looking a little bit better. Looks good there. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay. Looks good. Anyone notice when editing APO, don't have this level of auto captions? Oh, yeah. I know what you're talking about. Yes. There are, like, Opus. And wait, maybe it's Opus? There's some sort of, like, video editor that you can throw your videos online, and they add in captions, or even video editors locally. They might not be as good as these live captions sometimes, right? They're pretty good. All right, so we don't need this. I'm going to delete that. Looks good there. Whoa, Laura! Hey, thank you for the hi. Let's see, what'd you say there? You said what was that? A marshmallow high. Hey, marshmallow high. Thank you, Laura. That's so nice. You didn't have to do that. Thank you very much, my gratitudes. Laura, thank you. At Laura, thank you, party poppers. Let's do this. Then we'll do a bunch of party poppers. There we go. Thank you very much, Laura. Appreciate it. That's so nice for you to do. All right. So we have a pass-through on our norm. I'm actually going to be really curious about this. All right. Crafty. I know, right? It's so great. Puppies. I was laughing. Oh, was it? Yeah. Yeah, that was a feature request. Someone was like, I think it was Quantified Quantum that said, hey, this is what you got to do. If you want to be careful, because sometimes my open captions, they will interpret the words that I'm saying as profanity. Even though I didn't say it, it'll show up as profanity. So they're like, hey, you should probably add a bad word filter. And I did. And I chose puppies. Send at KB Par. What does that mean? Oh, wait. You are KB Power. Okay, that's right. That's the end of your name. I didn't recognize that. Oh, wait. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, wait. See, how long have you been streaming on Twitch so far? Oh, good question. About maybe 5 months? Right? And then in YouTube a lot longer. In Discord. Oh, got it. In Discord. Okay. Did you go link share? Okay. All right. 30 minutes of no copyright Minecraft music. Okay. We're going to try it. We're going to try it, okay? If it fails, I'll let you know. All right, is it going? Okay. We'll give it a shot. We'll find out. We'll see if it works. It's playing right now. Open source your auto captions, then all CapCut and normal APKs got trash. They would be so good, right? It'd be so good. So good news, Crafty. It is open source. Hey, didn't know. Look at this. It's open source. Check it out. Yep, right here. Supports many languages and many settings, right? So you can even have a single word, right? For example, we've got this special config right here. This config allows you to get one word at a time. Get. See right there, get. Okay. And it's available on GitHub right here. It's called OBS subtitles. Good music. Yeah, I know, right? Good music. You chose it. Hopefully we're going to find out. We're going to find out at the end of stream if it was because it might have it could do a claim. They could do a claim on it. A little harder? What do you mean a little harder? You mean the claim would be because it's already Creative Commons? Let me check here. Let me check. No copyright Minecraft music that's safe for me to use in your videos. Almost all of these tracks were remixed to some degree, giving them a unique spin on the original OST. Okay. Let's find out. The music a little harder. The music. Create app for Android video auto captions. Oh, that would be a good idea. We could do that. The good news is there's already a lot of free ones out there, right? So there's an Instagram editor. I forgot what it's called. You've got CapCut, of course, right? CapCut. The volume, it doesn't go any higher. It's already maxed out. Right. It can't go any higher. It's maxed out. It won't go any higher. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. I meant OBS. OBS is already maxed out as well. I suppose we could add a filter to boost it. We could do a boost on that. Let me see. I have to do some editing here. 1 second. Screen properties. No. Screen filters. Audio filter. Gain. All right, we added a gain. Wait, that's the wrong one. Hold on. That's the wrong one. Close. That's not it. I want screen. Here we go. Filters. Okay. There we go. Gain on that. All right. Let's see what that looks like. Here. So this is the gain. We're going to see if that works all right. We got to wait for the song to come back, though. Is that good? Maybe audio filter needs balance? Yeah. That seems pretty good. Steven needs speakers. Ah, all right, we got the speakers. No one app would have this auto level captions. All app make much more mistakes on words. Oh, are they? Yeah. This one does a pretty good job, right? All right, I think that's pretty good audio. Fix good. It's good? Okay, go. All right, I'm going to have to remember to undo that, or else it's going to blast. When we go back to regular music, it's going to blast the ears off of everyone. Okay. Let's see here. All right, I want to get back to our code here. Okay. So let's look at our dictionary's output. So we just tokenized. Our tokenizer is all set up and nice. So I think it has everything we need, right? We did the tokenizer, so it's going to get all of our words. It's going to return as tokens. Now, before we do that, though, our dictionary generator, right? Where is that at here? So our vocab, this is wrong. So I think I need to have, in order to do this properly, I need to add another function. Because I'm doubling up on this, and I think this is wrong. I think I need to fix this really quick. Okay. So let's do a parser. Let's just do a def parser. Self, comma. Well, I guess maybe batches. Do we want to do batches? Do we do batches? Do we want to? Or do we are we just early optimizing here? You know what? I'm just gonna edit. I'm not gonna bother with that. I'm going to just modify this here. Normalize join. So list here. I would say dot split. Here we go. Get rid of that. Then we convert it all into one vocabulary. And then we subtract the union clip. So this will, let's see here, vocab join. So this converts it. What's our input here? What's our input expectation? What's our data? Union clip, data. Where's the data? All right, so phrase and data. But data's just going to be a giant string. Big brother, try Hyperland window manager. Ooh, yeah, Linux. That's a good one. Hyperland. It's the one, you guys. It's the one. Hope everyone's having an awesome coding day. I'm enjoying learning about AI and blockchain architecture too. The blockchain. You get your nonces going. Your nonce. Wait, nonce. My subtitles are not. So I'm talking about the NOUNCE. The nonce. I think it's there. The nonce right there. NONCE. That's your special random number that's used to create the signature that matches the block's current requirement for the number of zeros, right? You need a nonce. You got to get that nonce in there. All right, so vocab, phrases join in data. See, data can be, hold on, Python. Can you enumerate a string? Can you enumerate a string? I don't think that's correct. I don't think you can, though maybe you can. All right, so for A for A in, let's see, Zergio and Mado Panda. Wait, let's do that again. Mado Panda. All right. So that's going to turn everything in. That's wrong. That's wrong right there. This is incorrect. All right, we got to fix that, you guys. We got to fix that. Thank you for clicking the hi button. Appreciate it. Okay. So this right here is wrong. I don't want that. So I want, this isn't data. This needs to be full, like, I guess I need a better word for data. It needs to be the full volume text. All text. Like the full text. Just text. How about text? Okay, text. Here we go. And then we need to change this right here. So why am I, what's going on here? I need to figure out what this is. Corpus. Ooh, Henry, corpus. Hey, all right, let's do it. Corpus. All right, corpus. Hey, you're on to something there. All right, corpus. Okay. So we got a union clip looking good. And then we're going to get our corpus. And see, here's the deal. We don't need this. We just need it to be corpus. We don't need to do join. Do corpus. There we go. Okay. Corpus, normalize, split, minus union clip equals the vocab. There we go. Nice. Corpse. You mean, oh, did I spell it wrong? Wait, corpse, I meant corpus. Yes, you got it right. Did we both get it right? This is the correct word, right? C-O-R-P-U-S. Hey, Laura, thank you for the sparkles. All right, appreciate it. Very nice. My gratitudes for sending the sparkles. Thank you, Laura. This is the correct word, right? So we Google corpus. A meaning for body across various, of disciplines referring to large, structured collection of written or spoken text. There we go, corpus. Thank you for clicking the hi button as well. Thank you, Laura. Good to have you here. It is. It's a lot of fun. You make this a lot more. You do. You guys make this so much more fun. Quick fix also, thank you for saying hi. Okay, so this looks better to me. We're splitting by space. I'm happy about that. And then we get a set. So we should print our vocab. There we go. And we need to collect our training data. Our training data is going to be the very file itself. All right, Python. Wait, no. Google. How do we get the name of the current file? Name of file in Python. Let's see, not long. Yeah, exactly. Firefox. I know, not that long. Exactly. Name of Python file current. Let's see here. There's got to be a double underscore. It's called file. Okay. So we got file. Let's do Python. I bet you this doesn't exist. I knew it. File's not defined. Did you mean name? Let's try it. Main. All right. So can we 2 out of 3. One more time. Sounds good to me. Not bad. Are you just streaming for fun, or are you aiming to grow and build a bigger audience? Both. I think both is a good trend, right? It's a lot more fun when there's more people. I think so. That'll be the plan. Yes, I'm in the code. Sergio, you're in the code. You made it. You made it in. Yeah, so we're currently streaming AI tech. I'm learning AI, and I'm also doing other things on stream. Part of the thing that I would normally be doing in my day-to-day would be what I'm actually doing on stream for the most part. I get to talk to you guys about what's interesting, what's neat, what are the new things, and you can help me learn as well at the same time. Can you make full-bodied list step-by-step, full on with all information needed, high level? Wait, what are you asking for? At THU, wait, what? Wait, what are you asking? High level, thus, who follow you? I don't know. What are you saying? What are you saying? Does anyone know? Can you help me decode this? You don't have much work for Pubnum anymore? Was it built? Forget? No, there's a lot of stuff we gotta do. There's a lot. It's massive. We have over 1 billion devices on the network. And those devices, they need continuous, updates and improvements, and we need to be able to ensure we improve the connectivity and the performance. We need to expand our footprint. We need to add more features and APIs that our customers are asking us for. There's a lot of work happening. There's a lot. Matt Erickson, if you go here and you look at all the things that we do, look at all this stuff here. This is a lot of stuff, and it needs upkeep, maintenance, and expansions, more features, more integrations. There's a lot of things to do. Matt Erickson, it's a lot of stuff. Okay, so we need to rewrite this. So this needs to be rewritten. To do rewrite for new data type. Let's see, how do you host? Oh, our servers, we're running on AWS, Amazon Web Services. We run in all their data centers around the world. Your device connects to the closest region, so that way you get a really good performance. Really good. It's like a CDN for communications technologies. If you've heard about a CDN, things like Cloudflare, CloudFront, you say Akamai. These businesses are content delivery networks that put data near where users are. Things like videos, real-time live streaming, like what we're doing right now. The data is near you, so that way it can be easily delivered to your target device with low latency. We do the same thing for communication. That's our technology. That's how we host. Yes, on Amazon. Backup server host. Yep, we've got some backups as well. You know it. You know it. All right. So let's see. Okay. So where do we end up here? I want to continue. We've got a good 12 minutes left. Don't worry, we've got time. We still got plenty of time here. Okay. So we're going to ignore this for now. I need to get the dictionary going. Is what I need to do. So we've got our dictionary here, and then I need to just break here. We're not going to train right now. Okay. So indexes, features, we're not going to worry about this. I think this should be fine. Let's see here. CD, desktop, transformer, Python, custom. Okay. Normalize, split. Oh, wait, it's not going to do split. List object has no attribute split. Okay. So our normalize is returning a list. Oh, wait. Okay, so our data input on our dictionary needs to be different. All right, so the generate math, we need to do something different. Our training data needs to load a file. All right, Google load text file Python shortest example. Let's grab that really quick. Okay. I suppose we could do that. Let's do this. You redo. Here we go. Okay. All right, text. So this will be our training data. Easy, quick and easy. I like that. Real easy. That's great. I have an idea. Might help with your channel growth if you don't mind. Happy to hear. HS, hey HS, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Thank you for clicking the hi button. When will we get a large language model text output for code editing? Ooh, yeah. We're going to kind of do that right now. That's the current plan we're going to do. We're going to train it on the existing file that it's used to train the data itself. So that way it can self-replicate. That's the current plan. So the file.text, hold on, before we do this. So we need to say training data is like, hello. Simple training data there. You know, nice. It's going to be neat. I know. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. Okay. So where are we? Pretty cool. Isn't it pretty cool? I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Okay. This needs to be __ file, I think, right? Like that. Read self. So we're going to read self. Read self so we can learn self and replicate. All right. Does generate math take any params? Oh, no, it doesn't. It's just the data that we used to train the original model, the previous model, when we created our transformer previously last week. We used this to train the model. We taught it math, and it worked. We taught it math. Like cold because of heat and, yeah, and sunglasses. Yep. Pretty cool. I see what you did there. Copy pasta. Yeah, Laura Maxwell, that's how I grew up. I grew up copying and pasting code, and then eventually you learn the code, right? You learn it. You learn it after a while. Copy pasta. Exactly. Ooh, pasta. There we go. Okay. So we don't need this anymore. We're actually going to get rid of that function. Good there. Finish those things. Okay, training data looks good there. Okay. Love pasta. It's one of the best, isn't it? Pasta is the #1. Okay. We don't need to do batches right now. Do we want to? I mean, we are obviously going to, right? We're obviously going to. It's just, it needs to be different. I just want to print this here. Not a bunch of nothing. Okay, let's leave here. And then we will indent this as well. Okay. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. Vocab is not defined. Vocab. Here we go. Oh, right. Here we go. So we get our corpus, we convert it into vocabulary, and then we print it out. Although we don't need to double print it, I don't think. Have you watched Audacity? Teaches us dangerous. Oh, wait. Teaches dangerous. Matterixon? I have not seen this. I don't know what the deal is. Okay, this looks correct to me. So far, so good. So there's our encoder and decoder. Or our tokenizer and our parser, right? Detokenizer? Could it be we're bad people? No way. Spaghetti all day. It's copy pasta. Yep, copy pasta. Exactly. Spaghetti all day. The best. It's the best vegetable. It's the best vegetable, you guys. Okay. So let me see here. Looking good. We've got our union clip working as well. Okay. Here's our decoder. Decoder working good too. Now we just got to see if we can load the existing file and create our tokens. And then basically our dictionary tokenizer is complete. So let me see if we can do that. So let's see. I'm just going to try this. See if that does the trick. See if that works. Here we go. It worked. We did it. We've got our dictionary. We did. We got it. We got it. Oh, I've got an idea. We should probably remove all the code comments. Right. Remove all the code comments. You're writing some malware? Oh, quick fix. What are you doing that for? Oh, you're joking? I don't know. Are you sure? Have you heard about SEO? I've heard about SEO. Search engine optimization. And you're making the antivirus. So then, yeah, it makes sense if you're going to be making some malware in order to make an antivirus. That's actually a very humble approach. How many lines of code is this mini GPT? 201. 201. And we're going to make it less because we've got a lot of code reduction to do. Got a lot of code reduction. All right. So I've got everything here. I want our normalizer to remove, where is this? Yes, normalize. Here we go. Okay. So we need to remove code comments. So I need to find, so we're going to do this. We're going to change the sub, and we're going to have a new norm. We need to create a new norm here. We're going to say it's everything that starts with the octothorpe to the end of the file. I'm going to say dot plus, right? Actually, dot star, better. Okay. So octothorpe dot star money sign. That will be our norm. Does that look good, you guys? You think that looks good? And should it, the only thing that I'm not sure about is we need to make sure to remember, okay, we've got a problem. We've got a problem. Uh-oh, we got a problem, you guys. We are eating the new line chars. This is a big problem. This is a big problem right here. We've got a big problem. We got to figure out how to fix that. We got to fix that. I'm not sure how to do that because new line is mandatory. You cannot live without it. You can't. Otherwise, you're going to make a bunch of code. The anti-AI. Oh, the anti-AI. Make it 200, a cool number, or 150. Oh, yeah, okay, we could do that. Yeah, I know, right? We could round it. We can round it. A script can remove all comments. Yes, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing right now. That's what this is right here. Very good. Very good. Yep, it's a regex for removing all comments. The only thing is that I see that we currently have a problem with our tokenizer is that we are eating the new line characters. And we cannot do that. Though maybe it's okay. Nah, I don't know if it's fine or not to do that. We're going to find out. We'll see. We'll see. We need to worry about that though. Okay. All right. Let me check this out. Let me see. I'm seeing everything that I need here. I see all of our tokens. That looks good to me. Looks perfectly good to me. And let me see here. Let's just eliminate. What the heck is this? What's this right here? Hold the phone. What are we doing here? Wait, what is that? I don't recognize that. Hold on. Backslash. So wait. This is a backslash and a backslash and a minus sign. See, where is that? There's not even a backslash. Hold on, let's do this. You say minus equals. Where is it finding that? Where's this right here? What is this? Why do you want to remove comments? Oh, well, because it's I'm trying to do data reduction, feature reduction, because we are going to have only a so big of compute here, and I do want to train the model, and I think like removing something. Do you want to keep Matt Erickson? Do you think keeping comments is better? A repeater? Is that what that is? It's a repeater? I have no idea where it's getting that. I have no idea. All right, Matt Erickson. So should we keep the code comments or should we remove them? That's the question, right? Do you think maybe we should keep them? How about we keep them, yeah? All right, we'll keep them because you mentioned this. No, don't keep them? Get rid of the code comments? Okay. Before we head out, so we're not done yet, but before we head out, let's do one quick poll. Let's ask you guys, Should we keep the code comments? Keep code comments in Python or remove for our GPT? What do you think we should do? Keep them or remove them? You always thought it didn't make up memory? Beats me. I know, right? So it's going to make it more efficient and more easy to train if we remove them. If we keep them, it's possible that our accuracy will increase and it will just require more compute. All right, so far we're keeping it. So far we're keeping them. All right, remove, yes. Wait, yes, remove. What was the poll for again? It says keep code comments in Python, yes. Or remove, which is no. Oh, or remove for GPT. Okay. Keep is yes. Remove is no. Quick fix, you think remove? All right. We'll keep them for now. We'll keep them for now because no, I did a misclick. Oh, you did a misclick. Oh, okay. Got it. Okay. So you think we should so what we'll do is I will where is he here? Where's our norm? All right. So keep the norm highlighted. Repoll. Oh, repoll. Oh, I see what you're saying there. I see. So you can start over and vote again. It's okay. It's okay. I can do the math in my head. All right. So we'll try it both ways. So right now, I think it might be fair to remove the code comments. We'll remove the code comments for now. Okay. This awfully sounds like legitimate OST Minecraft music, doesn't it? It sure does. This might be we'll find out what happens. Okay, so when you come back tomorrow, you'll find out. Just ask me, hey, did that music that we played, did it trigger any copyrights? If it did, I'll let you know. Okay. So here, we're going to finish the dictionary today. So let's finish our dictionary. Let's make sure that looks good. Was that 332? Versus, oh wait, this looks like the same to me. I see a bunch of octothorpes here. I see those octothorpes, /79. Let's see here. Yeah, see, the code comments are still, oh wait. What is that? Register buffer? Hold on. Oh wait, no, that's fine. Yep, that looks good. 79, and then print. So did we norm? Let me see here. Self the norm on the Steven former. We don't need to worry about that. This is the normalize. Hey, Retro Zero, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. I hope no copyright. Me too. This will GPT initially smarter than a 5th grader. Oh, well, Matt Erickson, I think it's not. Initially, it's just going to be very simple. It'll be very simple. 5th grader, I don't know about that. I don't know. What about the data pool and stack? Oh, Laura, you're asking interesting questions. You're asking interesting questions right now. I had not thought about that. So we do have to do that, and it will be in our batcher here. So we've got this. We have to rewrite this. Good idea, Laura. How's it going, Massimo? Hi, bro. I got a project to make a portfolio. Any advice? Yes, I always recommend computer vision. And that is because it's a lot of fun. It's visual, and it typically invokes an emotional response from whoever is looking at your project because you can see what you've done. So it's actually pretty amazing. Should a Steven GPT trained on all your code, human written, and be a good AI programmer? Yeah, we could. Absolutely. 100% we could do that. We could. I'm ahead like 60 years. You are ahead. Laura, you're thinking ahead. Good questions, you guys. Okay. So let me make sure our dictionary is good, and then our code comments get taken care of. So this should do the trick here. we should see elimination. I'm curious about this. So what I'd like to do is, hold on. I just realized what time it was. Okay. Oh no. 1 second. All right, sorry you guys. I do got to head out here. I'm missing a meeting. All right. Oh, did that work? Okay, it did. I gotta go. You guys gotta go. Okay. Hey, sorry about that. I'm live streaming. I'm just gonna end it real quick. 1 second. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. All right. 1 second. Hey guys, thank you so much. I gotta go. I have a meeting, and I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll finish this part. We got our tokenizer. We did the dictionary, and then we need to remove code comments, and then we need to finish our batching, and then we're good to go. Bye, everybody. Thank you for joining. See you guys tomorrow.